In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create footer in Carrd. A clean footer gives your one-page site a consistent closing section for links, social icons, and legal text, and we'll build it using a container and Carrd's footer marker so it always sits neatly beneath your content. Start by heading to carrd.co and opening your dashboard. Choose the project you want to edit to launch the builder. Inside the editor, click Add and choose Container. This container will hold everything that belongs in your footer. Carrd will ask for a container type. Pick default if you want a single, simple block that centers content. Choose columns if you'd like multiple vertical stacks, such as one column for navigation, one for contact, and one for social links. Either way, confirm by clicking Done. Now drag that new container all the way to the bottom of your page. This places your future footer where visitors expect it. You don't need to fill it yet. We'll wire things up first so the layout behaves correctly. Next, click Add again and select Control. Open the Type dropdown and choose Footer Marker. The footer marker tells Carrd where the main page content ends and the footer area begins, ensuring the sections of your page remain above and the footer stays consistently beneath them. Place this marker directly before the footer container in your layer list or on the canvas, so the marker appears above and the container follows right after it. When that order looks right, click Done. With the structure in place, you can start adding elements inside the footer container. Text for a brief description or copyright notice, buttons or links to key pages, and icons for your social profiles. Keep the content concise and readable. If you opted for columns, drop each group of elements into its own column to keep things organized. A few useful tips as you style. Give your footer a subtle background color to distinguish it from the main sections, and make sure text and icons have good contrast for accessibility. Add comfortable padding so the footer doesn't feel cramped. Align content to center for a minimal look, or left and right across columns for a more traditional layout. Preview on mobile to confirm columns stack cleanly and spacing feels balanced. Finally, test your links and publish when you're happy with the result. That's your footer in Carrd set up the right way.